Alright, here is what I'm up to. We're going to start from this end and work our way down to the foot of the bridge there. Show you what the plans are for this new project here. I originally was going to scrap away this wooden trestle, but decided I did need it, and took the track. And let's see, this is a different camera from what I was using earlier. This one's better with the lighting I have. The other one's too dark. But anyway, I put a switch track here going to the spur that's going in that direction. Let's zoom in on it. There's going to be a grain facility there, and over there is a small spur for that freight station over there. I'll get an up close look at it when I get closer. Anyway, let's continue. A bridge going over the lower level track with the tunnel right through there. Gonna have to excuse the crickets, they're back again this year. But anyway, there's the tunnel, and that's the lower line. And of course, this is the upper line. There's Hayes Station and the two workhorses of the Possumrun and Santa Fe Railroad, two GP7 GP-7 Santa Fe Zebra Stripes, 2691 and 2693 right there. Just need to get a number kit to change it to 2693. Right now it's 2691, which I crossed out the 1 or blacked it out so I could slap a number 3 on there. There's the freight station that I was telling you about earlier. Going to be a crossing going up over there into the grain facility. There's the general store. A small freight station there. A train station. Right here under the lower level, I'm going to put a retaining wall there. Let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, it's going to put a retaining wall right in there. This here, I'm going to put a tunnel. I'm just test fitting tunnel portals right now. Got the curved track going down the incline there. As you can see, I kind of miscalculated the size here, so I think what I want to do is just butt another riser, foam risers there to even it out a bit. Just a slight miscalculations. Here's the other tunnel portal. I believe I'm going to put it right here. Okay, let's see. And we go down the incline some more, and meets right here back at the bridge. The old main line used to go up through there, where you see that foam, which is now hills. Basically took the main line and turned it into a spur, kind of like what I did on the other end of the layout. Turned it into a spur as well. Did away with a switch. Zoom out a little bit. The lighting in this basement is terrible. Hold on. think I got a light here somewhere. Hey, then there was light. Let's see. Then up in this area, I'm going to make a hill road there, down through there. It's going to connect to this street there. Still in a working process or progress, whatever you want to call it. There was a switch right in this area to go to the root beer, Suds Root Beer and Cream Soda company there, but I did away with that and put a crossover track to eliminate that switch, and it works out a lot better. And so far that's what is taking place, and still got a lot of work to do on it, and we'll see what happens in part 3 video and take it from there. I'm going to put some foliage, grass, trees, and do some more work on the hills and stuff and whatnot. So gonna put some ballast underneath the tracks. The tracks aren't nailed down or glued down by any means. They're just there to get an idea of what I've wanted, and I think that's where I want to keep the tracks, and going to put some ballast and weeds and stuff on them to make them look like spurs. Anyway, that's that. Hope I did alright narrating the video. Not too great about talking in these videos. Anyway, I'm going to do another video of me running the trains, so I'll be attaching it to this video. So, talk to you later. Bye.